Voting for Zilla Panchayat polls in Goa, which began at 8 am on Saturday morning, concluded at 5 pm. The ZP poll is the first major polling exercise in the state since the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. The BJP has fielded 43 candidates while the Congress fielded 38 candidates, followed by Aam Aadmi Party and MGP with 17 each. There are also 79 independent candidates in the fray. According to State Election Commissioner, North Goa has reported 58.43% of polling. South Goa reported 55% of polling. Total polling across the Goa state is 56.82%. Highest polling in North Goa was at Pali with 77.39%. And in South Goa, Barsam received highest polling of 70.9%. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.